everyone, and welcome to another episode of English with Sarvi. Today we want to talk about these. We use made of when we know that it doesn't change form. That's the key. For example, this table is made of wood, or this curtain is made of cotton. If you look at the table, you can see wood. And if you look at the curtain, you can see cotton. It's right there. But cheese is made from milk. Papers are made from trees. If you look at papers, can you see trees in there? No. If you look at cheese, can you see milk in there? No. And for my fellow Farsi speakers, gulab. Gulab is made from flowers. If you look at gulab, can you really see the flowers inside it? No, it's gone, transformed. Can you go back to the original form? Can you go back to the flowers? No, gone. It's time to learn about these. Well, we use made by when we want to talk about a producer or a person who has made something. For example, this table is made by David. This phone is made by Chinese, or this phone is made by Apple or Samsung, referring to the company. We use made with when we are referring to a mixture of ingredients or parts or pieces. For example, this salad is made with lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. We also use made with when we want to refer to something intangible, like love. For example, this video is made with love. We use made out of when we want to refer to the specific main source of something. For example, these coasters are made out of plastic, or this chair is made out of wood. Now it's test time. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it was useful for you, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you.